Okay, I wanted to use the Nearpod to go over the quiz from last Friday. And if you want the video of me going through these problems, either because you weren't here in class, or if you just want to go back and look at the solutions again, you can view that. It's just above this assignment on Canvas. Okay? And please let me know if you're having troubles with these, if I'm not explaining them in a way that you understand them. Okay, problem 1, 0.25 is a fraction. Okay, what you want to do here is think about the decimal place of the 5. Okay, the 5, the last digit 5 is in the hundredths place. So you would write this as 25 over 100. Okay, 25 hundredths, 25 over 100. Okay, now it does say be sure to reduce. You could divide by 5 a couple times, but I can tell that 25 goes into both of these. So I want to divide the top and the bottom by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So the fraction is 1 over 4, 1/4. Okay, number 2 is related to that. Okay, if 0.25 is 25 over 100, 25 with a bar is simply 25 over 99. Okay, 99 instead of the 100. If you didn't trust that, you could take a calculator and take 25 divided by 99, and it would be 0.2525252525. Okay, so you could test that if you don't, if you're not sure about that. Number 3, 15 over 4 is a decimal. Okay, we don't have in the denominator, we don't have a 10 or 100 or 1,000 or a 9 or a 99 or a 999. So there's not a real easy shortcut. And if there's no easy shortcut, because you can always take the top divided by the bottom to change a fraction to a decimal. So we could divide 4 into 15. Okay, 4 goes into 15 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, put a decimal point after the 15 and even above that. And now start working with zeros. Put down a 0, bring it down. 4 into 30, 7 times. So we can take 30 minus 28, we get 2. Bring the 0 down again. Okay, we have 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So we're done, because that went away completely. So 3.75. Number 4, 23 over 100 is a decimal. Okay, well, the 23 over 100 is 23 hundredths. So we need to make sure that the last digit is in the hundredths place. And the hundredths place is the second place value after the decimal point. So it's 0.23. Okay, now 23 over 100 is related to 23 over 99. Okay, if 23 over 100 is 0.23, 23 over 99 will be 0.23 with the repeating bar over the 2 and the 3. So you could test that in a calculator. You could take 23 divided by 99 and just prove to yourself that it really does work. So problem 4 is 0.23, and problem 5 is the second choice, 0.23 repeating. Okay, number 6, write 0.8 as a fraction. So again, the decimal place, 8 is in the tenths place. So we would write it as 8 tenths. Okay, but that reduces. We can divide the top and the bottom by 2. And that leaves us with 4/5. Okay, number 7, 0.8 repeating. Instead of it being 8 over 10, it's 8 over 9. Okay, there's another video for some more problems on this quiz.